ट्रैक उठा के देखो जी, ट्रैक उठा के देखो, कुत्ते पे लगी बच्चे को।
Good. Ago? Ago? क्रेजी चलाते हमारे लोग। नफीस कटा मार लेते,
चलाने का रास्ता ही है।
नहीं नफीस कटा मार लेते। यहाँ पे पब्लिक दिख रहा एटलीस्ट, अरे पब्लिक दिख रहा।
सीरियस हुआ है?
नहीं, वो छोटा बच्चा को लगा ना। क्राउड। So it's a live example guys. There was a guy taking a U-turn. वहाँ पे कार है, अभी तो कवर हो गया। I'll show you the car. वहाँ पे कार है। So this fellow, no one hit him, but the thing is, you know, he was taking a U-turn and that fellow lost his control. The bike guy who was actually riding. So I don't know why everybody is staring at me, but yeah, they are भाई क्या घूरते हैं मुझे। So the main thing was over speeding था, छोटा बच्चा भी था और the younger one got a lot of hurt on his leg as you have seen in the video. So अभी इसको थोड़ा बड़ा सीन करने में सब लोगों को मज़ा आएगा। The thing is, people love making small things big. It's true. So वहाँ हुआ एक्सीडेंट, यहाँ है हमारा राइड का स्टार्टिंग।
If you observed that I being a bit negative about the incident happened, then yes, there is a reason behind it. So let me tell you what actually happened, guys. So this orange color Nissan Micra guy was taking a U-turn and these two kids on a Splendor were behind the car. This guy was indicating as well as he took a U-turn, and these people were overspeeding on the bike and they couldn't actually control the bike, so the rear tire skid and they fell very badly. Thankfully nothing happened, nothing serious happened to both, but once they got down, I mean yes, once everybody came, once everybody sat, I mean make them sit, and they were just checking out whether both of them are fine. And this person was scolding the owner of, I mean the driver of the car, that what are you driving and all, but he has given an indicator that means he's taking a right or a U-turn. So later what happened was one of our biker friends, he called for the ambulance. They took him in an ambulance, and I heard that the kid who was young, the younger one, injured his leg very badly. So that is the reason, guys, ride safe even if you go for 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers. Try wearing all the riding gears which you have. Even a helmet can save you, even a glove can save your hand. Okay, ride safe, guys. Don't be a squid. Don't overspeed on the roads which are not meant for speeding, and follow the rules. Ride safe and don't encourage squids. That's it for today, guys. Ride safe, be safe, and don't be a squid. Ciao.